This video will show an installation of two windows into the framed opening of a steel structure high-rise apartment building. As there may be differences between the specific type of building, window configuration, or hardware that exists on your project, this video is intended only to guide you through the basic steps of a window installation. Some special equipment is necessary when handling glass units. Additional unique items that may be required are non-crushable shims and strap anchors for attachment. Suction cups should always be employed when lifting panels. Harnesses must also be used when working in an elevated location. Always make certain that you are working in a clear open space that is free of obstacles. Before placing the window in the frame, assure that opening surfaces are level, plumb, and clear of debris. Place non-crushable shims onto ledge to support the weight of the window. When positioning the window, first attach the installation brackets or strap anchors to the window frame. These should be available from the window manufacturer or your local home center. Using suction cups, lift the panel above the bottom window frame and carefully lower and position the panel under the shims. Confirm that the window is positioned where desired in the frame, whether that is to be center, inside, or outside. Attach the opposite end of the installation brackets to the building frame. Do not fully tighten screws at this time. Continue to make any adjustments to confirm the level and plumb positioning of the window. Fully tighten screws at bottom, sides, and top of frame. If installing a second window in the same opening, clean and prepare the exposed edge of the installed window with denatured alcohol and run a small bead of silicone sealant on the edge of the panel where it will join the second window. Attach strap anchors or installation brackets to the window frame. Place non-crushable shims onto ledge using suction cups. Carefully place panel into opening and repeat all steps used for installing the first panel. Confirm level and plumb conditions and position of window and frame are correct before tightening fully all screws. Test operation of all sash windows to confirm that they open and close easily and hang level and plumb. Last, fill any voids around the window with expanding insulation material and caulk exterior openings with silicone sealant.